Algebra. Solve equations with addition and subtraction. What is an equation? It's a statement where the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. Let's think of a seesaw that's balanced. It has an equal sign in the middle. If we add something to one side, we need to add something of the equivalent value to the other side to keep it balanced. So in this case, 10 equals 5 plus 5. That's the equation. We can solve simple equations with addition. Solve x plus 19 equals 38. On our seesaw we have x plus 19 and 38 on the right side. The question's asking what does x equal, so we need to get x on its own, on one side of the equation. To do that we need to subtract 19 from the left side, but to keep it balanced we also need to subtract it from the right side. So let's subtract it from both sides. X plus 19 minus 19 will leave x on its own, and 38 minus 19 equals 19. So x equals 19. We can solve this equation. Let's put it onto our seesaw. 123 equals y plus 99. We need to get y on its own, on one side of the equation or one side of the equals sign. It doesn't matter which side of the equals sign the y is on. But to do that we need to subtract 99 from the right side, and we must also do the same to the left to keep it balanced. So on the right side we're left with just y, and on the left side we've got 123 minus 99. So 123 minus 99 equals y. Y equals 24. It might look slightly different, but it's the same method. It's also the same method with subtraction. X minus 33 equals 63. We need to find out what x is, so we'll put it onto our seesaw. X minus 33. To get x on its own this time we need to add 33 to both sides. So let's do that. We'll leave x on its own on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we've got 63 plus 33, so x equals 96. If it looks harder, we can still use the same method. So in this equation here, let's put it onto our seesaw. X plus 24 equals 52 minus 16. The question is still asking us to work out or solve x. So let's simplify the numbers first of all. 52 minus 16, first of all, is 36. So we can say x plus 24 equals 36. Now to get x on its own, we need to subtract 24 from both sides. That will leave us with x on its own on the left and 36 minus 24 on the right. 36 minus 24 equals 12, so x equals 12. You don't need to draw the seesaw, but we must remember to do the same to both sides. So here 20 plus y equals 44. We need to subtract 20 from both sides. So we're left with y on the left side and 44 minus 20 on the right. So y equals 24. Let's look at another. Y minus 58 equals 72. This time we're going to add 58 to both sides. So we're left with just y on the left hand side, and on the right it's 72 plus 58. So y equals 130. We can double check our answer by putting it back into the equation. Yes, it's correct. Y equals 130. Remember, an equation is a statement where the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. Solving equations mean finding out what the variable, x or y for example, equals. We need to get the variable on its own on one side of the equation or one side of the equal sign. And to keep the equation balanced, we must do the same to both sides. Remember the seesaw.